So here we are, we've got a new bull bar, well, new to me. There's a lot wrong with this, but I did get it really cheap. If nothing, I paid less than what its scrap value is, so. Needs a lot of work though, so we'll have a look at it and I'll show you around this thing a little bit and we'll start doing some of the work. It's actually set up to take 2 winches. I don't know if I'll keep that. What do I need 2 winch holes for? Absolutely nothing. And I could possibly use some of that steel as replacement steel for other parts of this bull bar. So the more I look at this thing, the more I'm thinking this whole section needs to go and be totally redesigned. I reckon I can definitely do something better than that. Plus, for modern winches, this setup is no good. It's all offset and it's just bloody, yeah, it's ugly. I hate it. I think it looks fucking awful. Just the design of those mounting points doesn't make me very happy. I don't think, you know, quite likely just to rip them out, to be honest. I want to see if I can get maybe some C-channel to replace that. I'll work out a better way of welding this in rather than just being sort of welded along these 2 points here. Yeah. So these, for any sort of serious recovery, I don't think they're going to stand up, to be honest. Doesn't look the part to me. This one's actually split on the welds. So yeah, not much chop there. Another point in here, there's a towing eye being welded onto that, and right around where that's welded, it's just corroded and turned to shit really. There's a hole here, another hole here, and a massive hole right there. It's moving over. In the centre, it's pretty much the same. So that's that whole centre tube, lower tube, is going to be replaced. And I might just replace, this one's not quite so bad here. Does have a bit of rust just there. That one's not as bad. But then we look at the braces on the inside. They're pretty much rusted away. So that's all going to have to be cut out, replaced. This bottom part of the bar is going to have to be replaced as well. That's, you know, that's cactus. So what I'm thinking is cut these mounts off completely. They're a piece of shit. So I'll make up some mounts that will mount directly to the chassis. Make them longer so that they come right down on this piece here. But I don't want to weld the bar. I want to bolt the bar itself on. So if I place a piece of, say, I don't know, 5 or 6 mil plate, which is going to be plenty strong, in there, something like that, that will come out and actually bolt to the chassis mounts and also bolt to the bar. So the bar is actually separate from the mounting itself. And the idea I've got is that when the winch is used, all the weight, all the stress on the winch, from the winch, goes directly from this mount through what will be the replacement or bull bar mounts to the chassis, that I'm not bolting directly to the front of the bar and all of that. Just, I don't know, does that make any sense? I hope it does. But why don't you just, look, if you've got any ideas about this, drop us a comment, because I might be pissing in the wind here, but I think I'm really trying to go in the right direction here. I might as well just show you a bit of a CAD drawing and what I'm thinking might make things a little bit clearer. So try and picture the 2 vertical sides here bolting onto the bar. With these 2 bottom brackets bolting onto the chassis rail. Hopefully that'll do the job. So I reckon that's going to turn out to be a much better solution than this piece of junk. So I thought I might just chuck a couple of gussets in there too on what looks like it's going to be an obvious weak spot.
Ta-da!
Right, thanks for watching. You made it to the end again. Yeah, that's my thought processes on how I'm going to do this bull bar. I suppose the next thing to do is actually get some steel and actually just do it. Chop it up and weld it up and do everything I've got to do. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, do all that sort of stuff. Cheers, have a great day. Catch you on the next one. Bye.